I greet everyone. The project is in touch with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. If you want, you can pause the video. You can look at all the company's indicators in detail. Now we will compare the current indicators of the organization with you. Appfolio Inc, ticker APPF. This review is based on data as of August 4th, 2025. According to System.GURU.Markets, company Appfolio Inc belongs to the subcategory Soft Business. 59 organizations participate in the comparison. We will see the decisions on orders at the end of the video. The result for the company in question is as follows: 3 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.7 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the US market as a whole, we see that the average result for the entire market as a whole is 1.7 points. Against a 3-point rating for the company Appfolio Inc. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Appfolio Inc. and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the shares of Appfolio Inc. showed a change of 45.4%. Against price changes in the subcategory 11.6%. Market capitalization of the company Appfolio Inc. amounts to $11.44 billion. With a market capitalization of $1,500 billion, the subcategory is worth $1,500 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.29 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $203 billion. Comparing the stock market and book value shares, we see the following. Share Appfolio Inc. in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 0.763%. The book value is 0.142%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The company under study has debt obligations of $0.026 billion. Debt to book value is 9% of equity. The company's debt performance, very good, 2 points. The company's stock market value to profit ratio is 56.3. Average for the subcategory is 51.6. Evaluation of the company's market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $203 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $228 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 13.3. The average in the subcategory is 7.8. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, TALET, -0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $860 million. Revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $960 million. Assessment of the expected future revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 23.5%, with an average for the subcategory of 15.1%. Sales margin assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 0.328%. which is 133% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is $7,000 and $3,000. And in the subcategory, there are $3,000 and $16,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is $124,300, with an average for the subcategory of $58,500. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee are $528,000. In the subcategory, $388,000. Sales per employee rating compared to subcategory figures, good, 0.5 points. The volume of transactions for sale was 6.2%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.2%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 87% for the company Appfolio Inc. Whereas in the subcategory this level is approximately 41%. The company's current share price is around $319. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $331. Let's go to the order table. It is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions made this season by the stock evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities Appfolio Incorporated. Information System of Assessment Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Open a sell trade at $319.15. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a relatively low valuation and price change. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment model, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 219.69. Stop loss is set at 418.61. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the deal is fixed automatically at the end of the session on September 3rd, 2025. Or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, ARDX, is the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on the channel. When closing any of the orders, the main or balancing one, another order is closed at the actual price. A huge thank you to all of you for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru Markets.